What's going on, guys? So we are finally getting ready to wrap our Cybertruck in a color that we really love. It's one of the newer colors from Avery Dennison, and it's the Color Flow series, and it's called Sand Frozen Ocean, and this is what it looks like. So color flow means that it does change a little bit on the angle, and I can't wait to show you this once it's out in the sun. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap this tonight, and then tomorrow get it tinted. Oh, and if you're wondering, we are using our do-yourself kit. So it actually includes everything that you need, from squeegees to our wrap gloves to heat guns. Really everything that you need is included in this box right here, and it comes with every single do-yourself full vinyl kit. So just keep that in mind. You'll see us use this kit. Let's go. All right, so once we get that aligned, what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna hold this, and we're gonna hold it like I did on your side, like this, where it bends so that it doesn't move, you see what I'm saying? And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and peel. Yep, perfect. Wow, what a cut. Should be able to go out like halfway. Alright, once you get about 2 inches away, then you can peel. Go ahead and all we now need to align is the bottom corner. So we almost got one side already done. Actually, it's been moving really, really fast. We just got the rear quarter. So every single time we wipe it down with some alcohol and water. And then after that, we just make sure everything's good. And then pretty much go to work. So we're gonna get that done. We're gonna get the front, but let's get it. Yeah, like you gotta pull it all the way out though. There you go. And then, hold on. You know, I noticed when you're holding vinyl too, try not to hold the corners.
Wow, you told me that before.
That stretches it out. Instead, hold not the corner, but like leading up to that area. You know what I'm saying? On first, and then get it like perfect, both top and bottom, and then even this thing right here. This notch. Perfect. All right. Yeah, you see how it straightened out once you did that? Yeah, now it's glass. That's what glass is. And then go down the middle.
Just straight down?
Yeah, you always an angle, remember? And just go all the way to this, not quite all the way, but like 1 inch away. Yep, yeah, a little bit less, but, and then you can go up and down.
Like this?
Yeah. All right, guys, so we are done. We wrapped this in under 3 hours, and this was Avery Dennison, Frozen Ocean, the color shift. Super tired, but really excited to have it done. We had a really good workflow with 3 people. But what we're gonna be doing next is we're actually going to be tinting the front in 20% to match the back. I think that will really complete the look, and then we are going to put PPF in the front so that we at least protect these 2 areas, which is gonna be the most important. But other than that, we got the hard part done. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Click on the subscribe button, and we'll see you later.